guys, welcome back to A-Level Biology question of the week. This should be a good one. It's about food tests, and we're actually going to follow this up with a 1-minute biology video on food tests and how to remember them as well. So let's make a start. The table shows the observations recorded from tests for biological molecules on 4 samples, A, B, C and D. And then we have 3 columns of information about the Benedict, Biuret and Iodine test, and then 4 conclusions for each row, and that should lead us to get A, B, C or D. What I'm going to suggest we do before we even make a start on the actual contents of the table is put in what we're testing for. So our Benedict solution is a test for sugar, Biuret for protein, and iodine is a test for starch. And what we're then going to do is we're going to work 1 column at a time and put ticks and crosses in based on whether the test is given a positive or negative result. And I will help you with the colours in our 1-minute biology video coming out tomorrow. But for now, you should remember that Benedict's solution starts as blue and then turns green, yellow, orange or red in the presence of sugar. And so we're going to put a cross for a negative test and a green tick for a positive test. For the Biuret test, which tests for protein, it starts as blue and turns purple in the presence of protein, so we can tick and cross for that column. And then the next column is the iodine test, which starts as a orange or brown colour and turns blue or black colour in the presence of starch. And so now we've got a filled in table where we can see if we were searching for positive or negative results. And so by doing this, what I'm hoping you'll see is how much easier it is to then cross-reference your conclusion, which gives you your answers, with your ticks and crosses. If we go 1 row at a time, A would need to contain starch only, and according to our ticks and crosses, it does only contain starch. So A might be the answer, but let's disprove B, C and D. Contains reducing sugar only for row B is not correct because it has protein. Row C contains reducing sugar and protein, but we're missing the protein. And then the last row, D, contains starch and protein. However, our row contains starch and sugar, but no protein, meaning that A is the answer. Hopefully you found this really useful. Continue trying to find tricks and tips like this, and look out for the 1-minute biology video tomorrow on food tests, guys. Good luck revising and good luck with your exams.